All right. I just hit the stream button, you guys. We're going to have to start. We have to do something. We got to play something. Quickly, play an intro song. BOOZHOO! Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. They don't play it no more, but I remember a time, 1984, or maybe 85. He sang the Salvation Army band played, the children drank lemonade, and the morning lasted all day. Bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. Now we were blessed like spiders from Mars. Bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. Now we were blessed like spiders from Mars. They say. They say. Never would have waved goodbye. You could see it written through his eyes as a train rolled out a side of the station. And through an open window came, like Sinatra in a younger day, pushing the clouds away. But the bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. And now we were blessed like spiders from Mars. Bitters came out better on a stolen guitar. Now we were blessed like spiders from Mars. They say. They say. They say. They say. Winter 1963, it felt like the world would freeze with John F. Kennedy and the Beatles. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons. All right, now for an upbeat song. All right. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! She'll adore you and she'll floor you with her wisdom and her vision, and you'll love it and think of it till you lose all intuition. Come on! Like the weather, but it seems so good. You never leave her, but you know you should. Get the firehouse. She sets my soul afire. Get the firehouse! And the flames keep getting higher. Now, 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 now. Do, 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 do. Get the firehouse. Michael's guitar's on fire. And the flames keep getting higher. Woohoo! Yeah! Firehouse! Oh, BOOZHOO! Nicely done, you guys. Nah. Welcome back to the show. And today, on our very special Thursday live stream, what's the show called today? Today is called Ojibwe Language and Culture Teachings. Oh, that's not too specific. No, it's not specific at all. Yeah. As opposed to what? Hello. Good morning. Mino Giga Jeb. Good morning. Good morning. La-di-da-dee-dee-dum. Good morning, USA. I got a feeling that it's gonna be a wonderful day. The sun in the sky has a smile on his face, and he's shining a salute to the American race. Oh, boy, it's swell to say, good morning, USA. Name that TV show. I bet you Wally Bear knows what show that is. BOOZHOO, Wally Bear. BOOZHOO, Wally Bear. BOOZHOO, John Redcorn. John Redcorn, welcome to the show. Friendship One is here. BOOZHOO, Friendship One. Mindy Moya, Redbird, is here. Mindy Moya, Redbird. Me no giga shape. Me no giga shape. John Redcorn says, American Dad. MASH? Wally Bear thought it was MASH. No, MASH is do 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 do. Yeah, the actual lyrics to the MASH song are really dark. Suicide is painless. It brings on many changes. And I can leave here if and when I choose. Or something like that. What? Yeah, it's about suicide or something. Hello, children. Welcome to Sesame Street. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Neo-Gijagud. It's the fourth day, Thursday. And on this Neo-Gijagud, I think it's high time we recognize. Stop. Bune. Look what I'm offering you. Your dreams. I ask for so little. How's that go? I ask for so little. Just love me, fear me, do as I say, and I will be your slave. Do as I say, and I will be your slave. Oh, wow. I almost want to talk about Labyrinth now. Anyway, Bune. Stop. Bune. In the name of love. Stop. In the name of love. Before you break my heart. Bune. In the name of Surrealist. She just gave us a super chat. Hey, Big Wet Surrealist. How you doing? Welcome back to the show, and thank you so much for your very generous super chat. Bune, stop. Oh, stop. Beka, wait. Wait. Turn back, Sarah, before it's too late. Wait. Look what I'm offering you. And he conjures up that little bubble. I ask for so little. Just love me, fear me. Do as I say, and I will be your slave. Is that how he says it? Yeah. He says it with a thick res accent. Love me, fear me. Do as I say, and I will be your slave. And there's ando. Go. I thought ando meant two. Yeah, I thought it meant two. Miigwech. Or sometimes when I ask to say, help me to speak well, maybe it means, maybe it's the same thing. When I say, what do I say? We do kawishin ando minawe nungum. Yeah. We duka wishin, help me undo. I thought that meant two. Well, maybe it means help me go and whatever. I think two and go are similar. Oh. Anyway. Undo. Undo. Go. Should I stay or should I undo? Do 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 do. If I stay, there will be trouble. And if I undo, there'll be double. So come on and let me know. Should I stay or should I undo? Go. Do you want to watch a little Labyrinth? Yeah, do we have a clip? We do somewhere. If I can find it really quickly. Sorry for my bad grammar. We can watch it and then comment on it. Since we're talking about it so much anyway. Yeah. So.
What have you done that's generous?
Everything. Everything that you wanted, I have done. You asked that the child be taken. I took him.
Oh, what?
You cowered before me. I was frightening. I have reordered time. I have turned the world upside down. And I have done it all for you. I am exhausted from living up to your expectations.
That's the kind of fight you and I have. I am exhausted from living up to your expectations of me. That's how I feel about this podcast. No.
Isn't that generous?
Through dangers untold and hardships unnumbered.
This is what she was reading in the
Fought my way
beginning
here
of the
to
movie.
the castle beyond the Goblin City. For my will is as strong as yours.
Now he's backing up.
And my
Wait.
Stop. Wait. These are our Ojibwe words of the day. Bune. Pekka. Look, Sarah. All right, hang on.
Look, Sarah. Look what I am offering you. Your dreams.
And my kingdom is great.
I ask for so little. Just let me rule you. And you can have everything that you want.
I'd just like to interrupt for a second to say what a wonderful actor David Bowie was. He really was. He acted. It was like a performance. It was almost musical how he delivered lines. Yeah, exactly. Here, hang on.
Kingdom is great. Damn.
Hey, don't swear.
Never remember that line.
Just fear me. Love me. Do as I say, and I will be your slave.
My kingdom is great. My kingdom is great.
Now watch how sad he looks when she breaks the spell.
You have no power over me. You have no power over me.
It's 13 o'clock. Pops. All comes tumbling down through the sheets and does that owl show up again? I think so. It turns into an owl. Oh, that's cool. And she's back home again. That sheet and all that stuff just turns into the David Bowie owl. I love that movie. Yeah. Bune. Pekka. Stop. Wait. Look, Sarah. Look what I'm offering you. Okay, let's put that on the list too. What's that? Wait, we're going to remake Smoke Signals? Yep. And remake Labyrinth. Okay. Remake Smoke Signals, remake Labyrinth. Can we also make an adaptation of not Smoke Signals, but Dances with Wolves? Yeah, Dances with Wolves. Right. I'll be Stans with a fist. Yeah, you can be Stans with a fist. He's a holy man. Nah. He's a holy man. Ho. That's what the Anishinaabe Santa Claus says. Yeah. Where'd he get that long shirt? What long shirt? Ojibwe version of Labyrinth. Yeah, there we go. We'll just sing all the Ojibwe songs or all the Labyrinth songs in Ojibwe. No one can blame you. Gawin kakina ea can blame you. I don't know. Bune, stop. Stop with your nonsense. Oh, just stop. Beka, wait. Go. This is what the traffic light sign should actually say. Stop, wait, and go. The way it is now, you have red for stop, yellow for speed through, and then green for go. I don't think yellow is speed through. It's not. No, yellow is clear. Like if you're in the middle. Oh. I'm not good at waiting. No, I get very impatient. Like if I'm at... Well, Walmart makes you check out your own stuff now. There's no more waiting in line at Walmart because you got to check yourself out. There's waiting in line to check yourself out. But sometimes I'm like, you can tell how impatient I am by how much I look like an old silent movie. And I'm like, tapping my foot. Oh, I hate waiting. I'm so bored. But sometimes you just gotta you just gotta wait. Just wait. Sometimes you gotta bune and smell the roses. Beka, wait. And then it's ready to go. 2 in a row, everybody knows. On the green light, you rev it on the red line. Foreigner. All right, so that's with some Ojibwe. We had that going on. Anin, Ojibwe buck, agwaching. How's the weather outside? You might be asking yourself, how is the weather outside? How's the weather outside, sweetie? Oh, it's nice. It's sunny. It's sunny and 36 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunny and you can tell, but just by looking out the window, the actual temperature. Well, I looked at the laptop. Oh. It's sunny and 36. Sounds a little cool. You want to go outside and check? Yeah. Can you teleport me outside? I'll go check the weather. All right. I'm going to step outside for a second. We'll check the Webuck. Anin. Asia Webuck. Agwaching. Jing, really. I always say ching, but it should be jing. Agwajing. Agwajing. How's the weather outside? All right, you ready? I am ready, sweetie. 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Okay. Oh, Anin. Ojibwe buck. Agwaching. How? Like a good Indian. How? How, Ojibwe buck? How is the weather? Well, I'll tell you how the weather is. You want to know? I'll tell you how the weather is. Zagate. It is sunny. Zagate. Geesh good. Sunny day. Zagate. Dash. Dakaya. Dakaya. I have to think about it for a second. Dakaya. A's are 2 A's are Dakaya. It is cool. Oh, that guy's so cool, man. Dakaya. It's cool. but it's sunny. It's a sunny autumn day. Zagate. Zagate Gija good. Sunny day. Sunny day. Sweeping the clouds away. Remember that? That's the Sesame Street song. I'm on my way to where the air is clear. Or something. I never had the impression that it was particularly clear air in Sesame Street. That seemed like a very urban place for me. I imagine they had lots of smog at Sesame Street, but can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street? I wonder if that question was ever answered. How to get to Sesame Street? Well, you go down First Avenue, right? Hang a left. Go clear through. You know. You ever get directions from somebody from a small town? People from small towns never learn the names of the roads. They never have to. Because everyone knows what you mean. It's like, I'm going to take the Benedict way. You know. How do you get to Walker? Well, it depends. If you go through the LaPorte way, take the main street there, right? Just hang on there. And go past Benedict. And then hang a right at the Cass Lake Road there. And just keep going. You'll run right into it. Don't turn left at that old red barn area. The place that used to be a barn. It actually was a farm and then became a bar and then a liquor store. And now I think it's just a old beat up barn again. But Zagate, it is sunny. I wonder if Tarzan will swing through. Hey, Tarzan. Oh! What was that? I can't do a Tarzan. I'm very sorry about that. I thought that Tarzan would know how to do... How does Tarzan do that? Oh! Not what you did. That was embarrassing. If Paul Stanley here, he'd be like, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Street hustler comes up to me one day. Zagate on a sunny Gija good. It's a sunny day. You know, since I'm out here, I might as well say a prayer. Take out a little tobacco. Get Chimanadu. Great Spirit, please accept my tobacco. Taga Otapanan niwi asema. Accept my tobacco. Thank you for everything that you do today. Miigwech ka iji ka kina keku ka iji chikean nungum. Thank you for this life. Miigwech ka iji bamadaziyan. Thank you for this weather. Miigwech ka iji way buck. Way buck. Thank you for healing my grief. Miigwech ka kake niwi kashkenda moen. And thank you for my girlfriend, Natasha. Miigwech ka iji niwini mushain, Natasha. You see, I pray for Natasha once in a while. She never prays for me, but I pray for her. Forgive me for being so small and petty. No. Thank you for listening. Miigwech ka bizan dawi yeg. Amen. Apenge. I think we're going to have a heat wave. Next couple of days, it's going to get nice and warm in the afternoon. The sunny days. Which is better, Tarzan or Mowgli? Mowgli was a little boy in a Jungle Book. Tarzan was the grown man in, what's his face's book that later became a cartoon? Richard Kipler, whatever, who cares? I like them both. I identify more with Mowgli, the jungle boy raised by wolves. In the Jungle Book, basically it's a story of a boy who's being pushed out of the wilderness and away from his buddies. And he's being pushed into civilized society. He's got to go live in a man village. But all he knows is living out in the jungle. Mowgli. And Bagheera, the Black Panther, is like the wise, stern, tough love uncle. Who's like, listen, number one, the tiger's after you. Alright. Number two, as long as you're out here in the jungle, everybody's at risk. They're gonna come. You're gonna be bringing more human beings back here. You gotta go back. Go live in the man village. That's where you belong, boy. You know. But then he meets a bear, and the bear's like, "Nah, we're buddies. Why don't you stay out here with me? All we need are the bare necessities." And then, you know, adventure ensues. And eventually he sees a girl on the beach and it's all over. Then he's like, yeah, I guess I can see what the city has to offer after all. You know. The Jungle Book, Tarzan, Bigfoot and Wild Boy. Anybody remember Bigfoot and Wild Boy? Back in the days of the grandfathers, when I was a little boy, there was a Saturday morning cartoon called Bigfoot and Wild Boy. It's all about this two friends who lived in the woods together. There was Bigfoot, Sabe, as everybody knows. And then there was his friend, this kid named Wild Boy. And I think he was one of these wild boys who was raised by wolves or something in the woods. I don't know if we ever really knew his backstory completely, but he and Bigfoot got in adventures. And Bigfoot could jump far, and he was also super strong, and he would throw rocks at people. And Wild Boy wore a leather outfit, I think. I can't remember. Bigfoot and Wild Boy. That was Wild Boy. How about Big John, Little John? Big John, Little John, what a way to grow. In this Saturday morning cartoon, the premise was there was a grown man who somehow, I don't know, drank a weird potion, or a witch gave him a curse. I don't know why this happened to him, but once in a while he would change into a boy. He'd be like, oh no, I mean, it was like the lamest werewolf. Full moon would come out, and instead of turning into a werewolf, he's like, oh no, and he'd fall behind a couch, and he'd emerge, would be this little kid in grown-up clothes, and be like, doggone it, now I gotta pretend I'm a little kid. Well, I guess I'll go off to school. Grown man in my head, little boy in my body. Pretty much the story of Michael Jackson. But it was called Big John, Little John. I remember one episode of Big John, Little John, they they dug into the issue of chemtrails. They were like, what is with those trails of chemicals, some sort of gas, that something is spraying in a perfect straight line and across the entire sky? Is this weather manipulation? What is it? Quit telling us we're stupid for questioning that. Oh, what do you think the government's trying to poison? I'm just saying, it's obviously they're real. It's not a conspiracy theory to ask what are the obvious. Well, it's just a plane. When planes fly, they leave a little, puff of smoke that lingers in the air like a cloud. Planes make clouds. Okay, what? I don't know. I don't know what chemtrails are. I assume that they can make weather. I think I heard that they can. I don't think they're hiding that. So if they can do it, I assume they are doing it. Maybe chemtrails are making it rain and stuff. Nobody asked them to do that. No one gave them permission. But I assume the government, has the technology to make weather. That's what I believe. But, I also believe in Bigfoot, so do with that what you will. I also think Morgan Freeman is Jimi Hendrix. I'm not saying I'm not in crazy. I remember when I lost my mind. I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so special about that place and time. La-di-da-di-da-di-dum-dum. Hey, bonjour, gentlemen. Hello, squirrel. Little squirrel up here. How are you? Anin. Eji Ayan. How are you? What? I don't speak squirrel. You're gonna have to speak English or Ojibwe. Hey, don't turn your back on. Now you're turning upside down. Well, fine. If you're gonna be that way, I don't even want to talk to you. No. A Jinamu, a squirrel. But I don't speak squirrel. It's like speaking computer. Oh. Computer can understand English, but he can't speak it. Sometimes I'll be all, oh, computer. Boop, boop, boop. No, I'm just telling a story. Boop, boop, boop. And I'll be like, computer. Boop, boop, boop. And simulation. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. I'm just in the holodeck. Hey, computer, what's going on? Boop, 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 boop. Ladies and gentlemen, holodeck computer. Boop, 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 boop. I don't know what he just said. Boop, 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 boop. Nobody speaks computer bebops. You're going to have to learn how to speak English. If Siri can do it, I think the holodeck computer should be able to do it. Boop, 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 boop. Nope. Anyway. I better go back. Beep, beep. BOOZHOO! Hi, sweetie. You ready to come back? Yeah, can you pick me up? Sure, hang on. When to teleport? Make it so, number one. No. Hey, baby doll. Hello there. How was the holodeck? Very nice. I met a squirrel. Oh, really? What'd he have to say? I don't know, a bunch of squirrel gibberish. I don't speak squirrel. You don't speak squirrel? No. I'm not Squanto, who can just talk to the animals. And that Squanto, you know, he'd like whistle and a hawk would come land on his arm. I wish we had a hawk. I don't. I'd be afraid. You'd be afraid of a hawk? Yeah, I'd be afraid of a hawk. It'd be terrifying. Not me. If I had a pet hawk, I'd train him to land on my arm. I'm like, hello, hawk. Better yet, we should get a bald eagle. Yeah, big old Migazy. Yeah. I'd walk around like some kind of superhero. Eagle man. Anyway, do you guys want to do another song? We could do another song. You want to do another song, Michael? Sure. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome once again Michael Lyons and Natasha. This is Ani DeFranco. Not done looking. I search your profile for a translation. I study the conversation like a map. I know there is strength in the differences between us, and I know there is comfort where we overlap. Come here, stand in front of the light, stand still, so I can see your silhouette. I hope that you have got all night, 'cause I'm not done looking at you. No, I'm not done looking. Build each one of my days out of hope. I give that hope your name. Well, I don't know you that well, but it don't take much to tell either you don't have the balls or you don't feel the same. Come here, stand in front of the light, stand still, so I can see your silhouette. I hope that you have got all night, 'cause I'm not done looking at you. No, 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 I'm not done looking. Yeah. No. Ooh, na na na, baby. You have got all night. I'm not done looking at you. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, on the guitar, Michael Lyons. 'Cause I'm not done looking at you yet. BOOZHOO! How you doing? Just thought I'd come down here to the holodeck. Or am I really outside? It's so hard to tell sometimes. 'Cause I'm not done looking at you. Zagate! It is sunny. What was the other one? Dakaya. It is cool. Hey man, Dakaya, it's cool. Give us a thumbs up. Zagate. day, la 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 la. Hoka, hey, Jesus, the sun, Jesus. Gonna be a sunny day. 'Cause I'm not done looking. Anin, Ojibwe buck. Agua jing. Agua jing. How's the weather outside? Why, it's funny you should ask. Zagate, it's sunny. Bune, stop. Pika, wait. Ando, go. Go on now. Bune. They used to tell me I lived in the boonies. What do you mean? You know, the woods, the boonies. I never knew what a boonie was. Well, now I do. It's a stop. Bika, wait. Ando, go. Boonie. I don't see any squirrels out here. Or Bigfoots. There's some ants. Some Beneshi Yug. Some birds. Beneshi Yug. Birds. 'Cause I'm not done looking at you yet. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't think I'd want a bird for a pet. I don't trust them. Like, especially a bird of prey. You know, wake up, you'd be pecking my eyes out. I've known people have had pet birds, though. I had one friend had a pet bird who died, and she was really sad. And I was like, well, I'd be glad. The thing was always pooping around your house. Let it out of the cage, just fly around the house. But she was sad. And my Auntie Connie had some birds, and they were always trying to get rid of them. You want a bird? Yeah, you can have our bird. We've had this one for 30 years. You know, some of those exotic birds will live forever. They're loud, noisy, smelly. Come here. Stand in front of the light, stand still, so I can see your silhouette. I hope you have got all night, 'cause I'm not done looking at you, no 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 I'm not done looking yet. BOOZHOO, get your monadoo, monadoo, monadoo. Hello, great spirit, spirit, spirit. Are you there, God? It's me, Natasha. I never read that book. When I was a little girl, there was a book called Are you there, God? It's me, Margaret. I don't know if that was part of the Judy Blume books or what. But I never did read it. I only liked reading about the outsiders. About Pony Boy and Soda Pop. You're asking me will I love grow. I think it's weird, the stories we kind of inherit. Like, if you're not from Minnesota, actually, I think it's true in a lot of states, where there's Indian names for towns and lakes and stuff. Ojibwe or Dakota. You don't always know. But you know it's not an English word when it's like, like Bemidji. Bemidji sounds like a really weird word to people not from here. They go, Bemidji, what is that now? Oh, it's Ojibwe for crossing waters. Oh, yeah, I think I heard somebody. Isn't there a Chief Bemidji? Like, I don't know. I've got to come full circle on that now. There was definitely Shenawishkung. Chief Bemidji. It's embarrassing to modern historians to have to tell the story of Chief Bemidji because it sounds so ridiculous. Number one, that's not his name. His name was the man who rattles. In Ojibwe, we would say Shenawishkung. Shenawishkung lived on Lake Bemidji in what I'm guessing would have been the early mid 1800s, 1700s. I don't even know. It probably says at this monument. But as the story goes, Chief Bemidji got his name because some white settlers came up and met him and said, "Hey, what's your name?" And he didn't speak English, and they asked, "What is this lake called?" So he went, "Oh, Bemidji Gamug." And they went, "What? You're a chief?" No. Bemidji Gamug. It's a lake. "Hey, fellas, I met a chief. His name is Chief Bemidji. Wow, a real chief. What an honor. Let's start a town and we'll name it after Chief Bemidji, 'cause it's so respectful." and then Shenawishkung apparently just goes, "Yeah, okay, whatever. Go on now." Don't be God, don't wait. Ando, go. But for some reason, it stuck. It stuck so much that there is a gravestone in Bemidji with the name Chief Bemidji on it. And a stereotypical wooden Indian profile engraving. It doesn't say what year he was born or what year he died. It just has a gravestone and the name Chief Bemidji. Meanwhile, or since then, I know some of Shenawishkung's descendants. And they're like, no, he doesn't. He's buried out in Mission in Cass Lake. I don't know what that is in Bemidji. So it's a mystery. Everything about the story sounds kind of stupid and made up. But here we go. Here's a statue that's in Bemidji of a guy smoking a pipe, smoking a peace pipe. He's got one of those cool walking sticks, those twisty pine things, His legs are a little short and his head's a little big, but that's okay. I knew the woman, who was originally commissioned to do this statue. Carrie Esty. Rest in peace, Carrie Esty. Carrie Esty was a friend of mine and a great artist, and everybody knew her and loved her. I know there's a lot of people right now go, "Carrie, oh, you know Carrie?" Carrie originally, some people approached her and said, "Can you do a statue of Chief Bemidji for the city?" Years ago, way before this guy did it. And she went to Michael Lyons, and she goes, Michael, I have somebody who can be a model for Chief Bemidji's face, but he's too fat. Can you model for the body of Chief Bemidji for me if I do the statue? And he was like, yeah, you'll do it. But sadly, Carrie decided to become a spirit. And she started her journey. Oh man, it's been over 10 years now. 11, 12 years ago. And so she never got to do it. And they hired somebody else to do it. I forget his name. I think he's from Park Rapids or somewhere. Is he a local? Now who am I talking to? I'm in the middle of the woods. Anyway, Chief Bemidji. Bemidji Gamug. And this is the story of Shayna Wishkong. Anyway, I'm not sure why I thought of that. I don't know why I thought of that, Beneshi Yug. I know. Anywho, computer. Boop, boop, boop. And outdoor simulation. Boop, 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 boop. Somewhere inside the holodeck. Computer. Boop, 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 boop. Can you call Nanaboozhoo for me? Boop, boop, boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Okay, Boozhoo. Hi, sweetie. You all done down there? Yeah, can you teleport me back? You got it. Hang on, scanning for your coordinates. All right. 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. No. So here we are. Hey, baby. Hi. Drifting on an open sea. Here we are. And then again we know. What'd you talk about? I talked about Chief Bemidji. Little history, local history for the kids. Oh, really? Not really. I just talked about how I don't understand the story and it's probably nonsense. What do you mean? Well, just that his name wasn't Chief Bemidji. He's not really buried in Bemidji. And it's another one of those just bizarre history stories of, oh, there was a simple misunderstanding. Yeah, I know. I hate that. Anytime it comes to Indian stuff, it's like, well, they misunderstood. And so, Columbus thought he was in India. Yeah, it's just like the Columbus story. Oh, are you Indians? No, we're the Wampanoags or whoever. Oh, you're Indians. Come on. I sailed around the globe. I landed in India. I'm going to call you Indians. And so the Indians were like, yeah, okay. Let's call ourselves Indians and tell everybody else we don't want to hurt Columbus's feelings. Make him think he was wrong. But, that never happened. Right. Anyway. So what are we going to do about Halloween this year? Absolutely nothing. I'm not celebrating that pagan holiday. What? Aren't you any fun? No, man. You want to worship Satan? You do that on your time. Get out of here. I like Halloween. I'm gonna wear a costume, and then I'm gonna hear when the kids come to do their trick or treatings. I'll have some candy, and I'll be like, "Oh, hi." You think people are gonna come to our house? It's been years. How come kids never come here? I don't know. I mean, I don't want to say anything, but in a way, it's weird. We haven't had any trick-or-treaters in years. But, you know what else? What? We always come back in this room, and we shut off the lights in the front room. That's probably telling the kids that we're not available. Yeah, well, I'm always available until about 7 or 8, but I figure you should get your trick-or-treating done before 8 o'clock. Really? Yeah, go to bed, kids. I don't know. How about you, Michael? You gonna go trick-or-treating this year? Absolutely not. You don't like Halloween either? I did when I was a kid. I'm a grown man now. Well, just because you're grown up doesn't mean you can't do kid stuff. It's fun to play and wear costumes and stuff. Yeah, I'm too serious. I'm too old. Now you guys are a drag. I'm going to wear a Halloween costume. I'm going to go as a princess this year. Yeah, okay. What? I'm going to go as Princess Merkel. She's not a princess. She gave that up. Oh. What's that other broad's name? I don't know. Nobody cares about that one. Yeah, I know. I want to go as Lady Di before she died. There you go. So, what have we learned today, kids? On this beautiful Neo-Gijagud, the 4th day. It's Thursday. We call it Neo-Gijagud. Bune, stop. Pika, wait. Ando, go. We learned that. Yep. And then we talked about Anin, Ojibwe Baka Jing. How's the weather outside? It's sunny and it's cool, man. It's Zagate Dakaya. Dakaya. That trips me up, but whatever. It is cool. Brr, guess not. It's cold. But it's cool, man. You gotta stay cool. Too cool for school. And finally, hey, do you want to take a call? Take a phone call? Yeah. Sure, I'll take a call. On line 2? Line 2. Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air. Yes, hello, Natasha. It's me, Donald J. Trump. Wow, sweetie, it's Donald Trump. Hey, Mr. President, Mr. Former President, how are you? I'm very good. You can call me Donald J. Trump. Hey, Donald Trump. Hi, Donald Trump. What can I do for you today? Well, I was wondering if I could learn the Ojibwe word of the day. I'm very good at learning languages. I'm excellent at learning languages. I love to learn languages so much that I watch your show. So how do you say Thursday in Ojibwe? Well, we say Neo-Gijagud because it's the 4th day. Neo-Gijagud, 4th day. That's how you say Thursday in Ojibwe Moan? Yep, that's how we say Thursday in Ojibwe Moan. And then we also talked about the words bune, which means stop. Bune, stop. That's a very important word sometimes, stop. You know, bune, stop. Yep, and then beka means wait. Beka, wait. Beka. Yes, that's a very good word, beka. And I think I say it tremendously well. Yeah, you sure do. And then ando, go. Ando, go. Go and make lots of money. That's what I like to say. I like to ando and make lots of money. How do you say money in Ojibwe, Natasha? Well, money in Ojibwe is junia. 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 I love to say that word in every language. Junia. It's what makes the world go round. Well, the world's not round. Whatever do you mean? The world's not really a globe that spins around. Well, of course it is. Haven't you learned anything in school? Yeah, I learned. I mean, I was taught that, but let's not get into it. Don't tell me you're a flat earther. That's so stupid. It's not stupid. I just no longer believe in the globe. In a spinning ball flying around outer space. Doesn't seem like it. Seems like they're hiding something. I don't believe it. Well, Maybe I'll have to look into it. Yeah, do some research. Also know that they're kind of censoring the information on YouTube. If you Google, is the earth flat, it's going to be selected videos to make people who believe that or are questioning the globe sound like idiots. It's hard to find all the really good videos. They used to have just hundreds of videos a few years ago proving that the earth was flat. Scientific method stuff. Yes, science. I love science. I know everything about science. Yeah, but experiments is real science. The globe theory, black holes, gravity, universe, all that stuff, that's just theory. That's just science fiction. Then you might as well call it science fantasy. There's no experiment. There's no evidence for gravity anywhere. You've given me a lot to think about. You're a very wise woman. A very wise woman indeed, Natasha. Yeah. Listen, I better get going. We're running out of time here. Well, how do you say goodbye in Ojibwe Moan? We don't say goodbye, President Trump. We say, I will see you again. Gigawabamin Minowa. What Gigawabamin Minowa Natasha. Yeah, you too, Trump. Hey, Gigawabamin Minowa, Don. You too, excuse me. You too, Nanaboozhoo. Gigawabamin Minowa. Yeah, okay. See you, Trump. Well, he wants to learn Ojibwe. I give him props for that. Yeah. Sunny day, la-di-da. My earth isn't flat, and I'm glad of that, says Surrealist. How do you know? Why would you think that your earth is round? Most of the earth is covered in water, right? Does water find its level? Yes. So you'd have to say that at least most of the earth is level. No one can ever see the curve. Instead of answering questions people have about the curve, like how high up do you have to be to see the curve, they just mock people for not just believing what NASA says. Let's check this picture out. Zagate. It's sunny. Oh, it's so sunny. Let's go up to amateur balloon photography picture of the geezos. Wait, where am I? I've disappeared. No, here I am. Now, if you're brainwashed, you're going to say, oh, this is probably a fake picture. This picture is fake. The pictures on Mars, those are real. But if you can believe that this is a real picture, that's as high up as anybody goes. No matter how high you go, the horizon line is at eye level. It never curves. The sun is not 93 million miles away. It has a hot spot. It's just right there. That's what the Earth looks like. Huh? Sunny day. Gewanimo, she lies, deceives. Gewanimo, it's a deception. The ball Earth is a deception. They don't want you believing that this place was made by a creator. Evolution doesn't require a creator. And everything just happens, the law of chance. Flat Earth requires a creator. So a lot of people became believers after becoming non-ball believers. Because that's what the Bible says. It says it's a fixed foundation, has foundation. Fixed, immovable. The stars are moving around us. It's a beautiful thing. Huh, sweetie? That's right. To Amazon.com and PayPal, Patreon, GoFundMe. I think YouTube's cutting us out. What? Really? Yeah, we just... Oh, we're back on. Okay. We better land the plane. Yeah, okay. All right. Hey, everyone. Miigwech Bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. And Miigwech Ganawabieg. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Natasha. This is Michael Lyons, a rock star cartoonist. Thanks so much, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. And this is NANABOOZHOO. Okay, miigwech. And I will see you again. Gigawadamin. Minowa. Mawa. You know what? Nah, let's do it tomorrow. What? I was gonna have you teleport me to the moon. Yeah. But we can talk about it tomorrow. Okay. See you tomorrow. Yeah? Good job. Thanks. So